Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And today what we gonna feature? So today we're gonna feature After Effects replacement. Yeah, After Effects replacement. Now many of you gonna think that After Effects replacement, then you gonna talk about Fusion of the DaVinci Resolve. But no, I am a web app guy, right? So obviously I gonna feature some web app. So today we have a web app that is kind of a replacement of After Effects, but not that much complex. Like After Effects is so much complex. They have a like steep learning curve. Like if you want to get started with, you can't start it in just one day. You have to learn a lot about After Effects, then you can create something, play with it. But in this app, it's too easy. If you can remember, previously I featured a app called Spleen, and how easy approach that Spleen taken for 3D designs. The same approach this app has taken for After Effects like things, and that means like motion graphics, motion design, and all. So let's view the app. Yeah, so here is our today's app, that is Rive. And Rive is kind of like After Effects alternative. Now why I am saying always kind of, because it's not totally After Effects alternative. Just like Spleen have taken a simplest approach to the 3D design, Rive have also taken the simplest approach to motion design, and they can motion design 3D elements also. So that's one thing, that's one cool thing also. And to be honest, their website look dope, because how cool that animation is, like Apple like animation, to be honest, right? And the most important feature, most valuable feature they are providing here is collaborating with your team, that After Effects doesn't provide. I don't know if it's provide or not, but as far as I know, as per my knowledge, After Effects doesn't provide collaboration. But here you can. How cool is that, right? And I have already told that you can obviously another thing that you can do here, that you can add web based animation, like web based interaction based animation. Like you can see I am interacting with the web page here, and the animation also we interacting according to that, right? And obviously there are too many things that they have shown, like too many type of facility that they are providing. And to be honest, yeah, this is another great thing that they are providing. Actually Rive is made for developer and UI teams, uh, to matlab developer and design teams in focus. Like they provide a UI based, like more UI focused elements. Okay, so no one have done that before, so this is something we should keep in mind while using Rive. So yeah, that's about it about Rive. Please try it out yourself, it's too easy. You can get started within 2 hours after watching their videos. So please get started and tell me if you like Rive or not. And if you like my contents, please consider subscribing, man. Please consider subscribing. 79% of my viewers are not subscribed. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great apps, some of the great web apps, some cool resources, please let me know about them in the comment section also, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.